This lesson is about mouse and keyboard. First, you need to have some basic understanding of web and web element. Let's open GenLogin website. So this is a website, and it contains so many elements. Each element has its own address, or we call selector. Element helper extension is used to read the selector of each element. There are three types of selector: XPath, Full XPath, and CSS. Choose the type of selector and click the element you want. The selector will be shown here. Now you know how to get the selector of an element in a website. Let's practice mouse root button. First, click button. In most cases, we use left button click and select by selector. In this example, I would like to click pricing. So I get the selector of pricing and then paste into selector. You can perform many clicks by adjust click count. Timeout is the maximum time allowed to find the selector. Let's try this button. Next, scroll button. This button moves the website up or down. You can scroll to a coordinate or scroll to a selector. I want to scroll to try free trial, so I will get the XPath of that element and paste into scroll button. Next, keyboard group button. Let's try type text first. If your cursor is already inside the box, you can skip selector option. That's why it's optional. In this example, I would like to type email. So I select XPath of email element and then paste into selector option. You can adjust typing speed. Let's start automation on this button. Create a new type text button to type password. After filling email and password, we want to press enter button. So we create press key and select enter button. And that's all about mouse and keyboard button. See you in next lesson.